Ffmpeg. It is free and open source software. Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Browser open. Google search box lo enter ffmpeg. Enter key press ffmpeg.org. First link click. Ffmpeg official web page complete display. Right side green color button download click. Download Ffmpeg web page display. Download source code. Left side more downloading options. Supporting platforms Linux, Windows, macOS. Second one Windows select Windows exe files section of two options display. Second one Windows build by BTBN. Second option click. FFmpeg GitHub page display. Middle section lo latest auto build version 2026 year month first date 21st. Assets section lo mouse scroll down. Last one ffmpeg master latest win64 gpl shared dot zip file size 89.1 MB. Last one option zip file select download section lo ffmpeg related zip file downloading process start. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Process completed. Next installation setup. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo ffmpeg zip file display. Select mouse right click. Extract all options select. Select a destination and extract files. Extracted file location default display in box. First button extract click. Extracting process start. After extracted process completed, extracted folder display. Select mouse right click. First one icon cut click. Left side this PC select. First one new volume C select open. Mouse right click. Paste icon click. Select folder. Mouse right click. Third icon rename click. Unnecessary text remove. Only set ffmpeg. Enter key press. Folder select open. First one folder bin select open. Top section lo address bar mouse left click. Copy this path mouse right click. Second option copy click. Folder minimize. Close. Desktop Windows search box lo enter env. First option edit the system environment variables. First option select system properties window last button environment variables button click. Second one system variables section lo path select. Second button edit click. Right side first one button new click. Mouse right click. Paste option select. Bottom side first button OK click. OK click and OK click. Desktop Windows search box lo enter cmd. First option command prompt select. Enter the command. Enter key press. Installation ffmpeg path display. Application related files and libraries. Shell window close. Desktop bin folder open. Left side downloads folder select. Check the format. Top section lo view menu click. Last one option show click. Sub panel lo file name extensions select. Video format MP4 convert to other formats. Top section lo address bar mouse left click enter cmd. Enter key press. Converted file location default display in command prompt shell window. Converted command enter. Enter key press. Converted file display.